Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable kebab. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need colorful bell peppers, firm zucchini, and a crisp red onion, all cut into roughly 1-inch pieces. Next, prepare a flavorful marinade using about 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, minced garlic, and a blend of spices like paprika, cumin, and oregano. Don't forget your skewers. Metal ones are reusable, or soak wooden skewers for 30 minutes to prevent burning. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Cut all your chosen vegetables into uniform 1.5-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. In a large bowl, combine the chopped vegetables with your prepared marinade, tossing gently to coat everything thoroughly. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb all those delicious flavors, or even up to 2 hours for a deeper taste. Finally, thread the marinated vegetables onto your skewers, alternating colors to make them visually appealing. It's time to cook. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the kebabs on the hot grill and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, turning them every few minutes until they are tender crisp and slightly charred. If you prefer baking, arrange them on a sheet pan and bake in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Once cooked, serve your delicious vegetable kebabs immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro. For the perfect vegetable kebabs, always start with firm, fresh vegetables that can withstand grilling without falling apart. Remember to avoid overcrowding your skewers. Leaving a little space between each piece allows for even cooking and beautiful browning. These versatile kebabs pair wonderfully with a variety of sides, like fluffy rice, nutritious quinoa, or a crisp green salad. And for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.